What's up guys? In today's video, we're going to be building an awesome water park. This is going to be part of Carter's video where Ryan Prunty is going to get $10,000 to build the craziest Adventureland you've ever seen. There's going to be a water slide, zip line, ball pit balls everywhere. There's going to be inflatables, a dunk tank. It's going to be epic. But in order to get that done, we have to finish this to-do list. So let's get going.
Now, before we can actually get started, we gotta figure out just how big we can make this park. And according to my measurements, we're going to need 10 bags of ball pit balls. Thankfully, I got those coming right out.
Thanks, Matt. Grabbing the ball pit balls wasn't too hard, but what we found out is that cleaning them off isn't nearly as easy as you might think. But I'll let you guys see why that's the case.
So we gotta clean these ball pit balls somehow, and dunking them in the lake probably isn't our best option. These things are covered in dust and dirt from being in storage, so a quick rinse should be perfect.
Even though these balls float, the guys did manage to get them all cleaned off and ready for the pool. Building a $10,000 water park can't be done without unique attractions, so we're grabbing our floating trampoline to use. But since it's been in the lake all summer, it's gotten a little messy. Time for a cleanup. We just decided to use a little bit of soap and the pressure washer.
This pressure washer puts out 1,500 PSI, which means the water exiting the nozzle is traveling at 324.6 miles per hour, which is almost half the speed of sound. All that just to clean some algae.
But as usual, not everything is going to plan. It looks like while we were moving the trampoline, it took a few hits and needs a little patching. So open, patch, and bam, apply. If the inflatable trampoline isn't going to hold air, then we need a backup. And the world's tallest floating trampoline tower did come crashing down, so that'll make a perfect one-of-a-kind backup for a $10,000 water park.
We needed to pull out 6 trampolines as backup. Pulling out 6 trampolines means rolling 6 trampolines. Thankfully, each trampoline is paired up, so at least we're only rolling 3. Having a backup set of trampolines was absolutely crucial because we had no idea if the patches would hold, and if we didn't have a trampoline, we couldn't shoot this video.
What's a water park without inflatables, am I right? The palm tree inflatables turned out not to stand very well, but we found putting water in the base of them worked. I think next time we're gonna do real palm trees and do a $50,000 water park.
Now to you guys, inflating all of this stuff takes just a few minutes, but in total, we inflated over 24 inflatables. Some quick math for you. The palm trees alone hold 34 cubic feet of air. In total, we pumped over 8 pounds of air. And yes, air does have weight. 1 cubic foot of air weighs 0.08 pounds. That's 1.29 ounces. And if the air was formed into a 1-inch line, it would reach over halfway to space.
I've always wanted a rubber ducky, and now I have a giant one.
Alright, so from the invisible box video, we have that really cool zip line that Steven used. We're going to take it down from where we had it set up before, and we're actually going to attach it to the side of the house here, and it's going to string across the pool to one of those trees over there. That way, you can zip line across the pool and drop it.
All right, what's left? Oh yeah, a zip line straight into the pool. Now that's a $10,000 idea. But I wonder how the guys are gonna pull it off. Getting this thing tied up is no joke, and finding a place to attach it on either end of the pool is not gonna be easy.
Hanging this towel before we hooked up the zip line was absolutely crucial in order to prevent damage. Even though we love smashing walls, we don't want to pull this one down.
That's the raw garage way to do it. A pulley made from a bolt that holds it in place.
You said pull?
Once they get it tight, all they have to do is tighten one screw and it's good to rip. And look at that, it might be slow, but that's a safe start. And voila, we have a zip line above the pool. Now the list is done, just one more thing. film the video. Let's see what Ryan can do.
Okay, I got my whole team assembled behind me. Guys, here's what I want you to do. Lifeguards, I want you guys assembling the ball pit balls for the pool. You're gonna help me move all the inflatables out here, start decorating, okay?
Roger.
Let's go.
Do it.
Got a rubber duck. I think you should go over here.
I got an inflatable dog. I'll put it somewhere.
Belly flop!
Oh, that's nice. Okay, it's already looking great out here.
Ready? 3, 2. All right, and hold.
Yo, yeah, guys. Good
Y'all
job.
probably want to be on the wall.
Yeah, yeah, happy to help, you know. We gotta return that later.
Hey, good job.
Oh yeah.
All right, final bucket. Let's keep building.
Meanwhile,
Look at that. That's actually crazy. That's good luck. That is good luck. Is that a butterfly or a moth? There he goes.
That was pretty dope. Gonna have to run that back.
All right, let's see what happens in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was sick. That was sick.
My mom said that your mom said we could play mermaids. I'm going first.